College boni vibro session part hakane ka video komenta ngan manra IP ki jing betip spang ki khubor like kam tikidon ki kam driver ki balaj po Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA dengan pli kat kom kane ka advertisement te ki ba don kam mat ki ba don ki experience ki ba don ka qualification ko apna apply sampai jadi bakut basa sangap bah ki ba don kam ba phi ban submit te ka kam ka position ke jong driver pas kelas 8 dan kam license name ke experience lade hang no phi tre po government ne public sector ne hang no society ne ma phi dan kam license name experience age limit hadu substance name requirement should possess a valid driving license dependent driving license and work experience certificate dependent kata ka work experience certificate ru the language prefer Khasi Garu and Jaintia te kade po Shillong hi te ka tulop pada mon banai kadai khat 8,000 plus allowance pada pinyo extra pada bakam ong no plus allowance kapus kadai khat 5 ki pus kidon khat 3 ki pus driver te ka form fill up banyo na po website mb kan mau kan website pihak page po website www.mbda.government.in hang ne ka website labu e ka form te pihak apply hang tu basa download e ka form man pendap te ka last date jong kane kadai 4 Oktober RJR son baji haduk san baji te ka man submit bedai phap man submit apabila man submit da ka push lane phila ban lek hi offline hapo office mama ta hang ne la tho kadai khat ar tali ma ki push khat ar tali ki push driver pas class 8 ngin mau ki badon dikata experience gila ban ne place of posting selected candidate shall be posted at the location mentioned above Shillong mal dap thong tu Shillong ka jakaban posting the duration of contract kade contractual kade she's name te la ban renew la ban penkut mala ban tit marwa contract te mala stu bari contract kade she's name di ka form dap ai hapo kane ka website phap lek hang tu sa download di ka form te dah kan mau ya kane ka office ma yaban lada phi pha post ne lada phi shulek hi ka office kade hapo Nong Rim Hill office of Meghalaya Basin Management Agency care of Meghalaya State Housing Financing Cooperative Society Limited campus Nong Rim Hill Shillong Meghalaya nyeu khandai line not line tila da pha ka post pha pha kane lada phi kwa ban lek hi pha lek kane ka jaka kade hapo Nong Rim Hill Nong Rim Hill pha lek ban submit hane long mode of submission la by post or by direct submission to the office ka office kade hapo Nong Rim Hill te ki ban submit te pihak ban download ka form te pihak ban download ka form then la download ka form pada sa submit lang bat ki documents kan candidate must include along with application form hang tu application form pihak submit lang gadur self attested copies te ladap mutu pihak self attested himapi te pihak ai ki educational qualification proof of experience ka letter salary slip pihak ladap teritang and PAN card, Aadhaar card, additional or technical qualification certificate if any lada don extra certificate phila ban submit kita lada kelas date kandai 4 Oktober RJR kan mau kata mah the selection process kedai ban long way there will be a written technical test and personal interview for the position the written test personal interview will be held only in Shillong kita ka written lane technical test mut ba nya barka personal interview tang kita artali tekin sapentip ya kata bat kini bro kinde bi hapo Shillong hi te anda pil apply ya kane pin tab ya ki dah thok bah ba dah thok bhai ka post ba pi apply masa tab hapo envelope masa mention hang tu ba pi tab nam ta kata ka post dah thok hang tu par ba pi submit ya ka ki application jong pi ki documents jong pi hapo office te ko office film le hapo Nong Rim Hill ngada batai hang tu te sale kita gibran kambaro la fi ko ban tab tangine gi jing tip khulish bun